Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Figma files step by step. Sharing your Figma files makes it easy to collaborate with teammates, clients, or anyone else. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So let's get started. First, I'll open my Figma design file. Now, I'll click the share button in the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the sharing window is now open. At the top, there's an email field where I can enter someone's email address to invite them to this file. Next, I'll click Copy Link. This creates a shareable link that I can send to anyone I want. Now I'll open the Who Has Access section. From here, I can check who currently has access to this file and manage sharing permissions if needed. Once I've finished reviewing the sharing settings, I'll close the sharing window. That's it, we've successfully learned how to share a Figma file. As you can see, it's a quick and simple way to collaborate with other people and share your designs in just a few clicks. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.